I-install na natin itong Whisken tempered glass dito sa ating mobile phone. First na kailangan nyo gawin is remove your phone case. So, tanggalin na natin yung existing tempered glass natin. So, kung may makikita kayo dito na top, i-align nyo lang din yung top na nakalagay dito sa tempered glass nyo. Linisin muna natin yung ating screen. Wet wipes muna. Let's make sure na matatanggal natin lahat ng mga dust, particles na natira. Gamitin naman natin itong microfiber cloth. Gamitan naman natin ito ng dust absorber. Let's make sure na walang dust na matitira sa ating screen before we apply our tempered glass. And after that, we will close the lid. We will now pull this plastic slowly. Press natin to 4 times up. Let's open it again. We will now peel this plastic. We will just remove the bubbles sa mga gilid gamit tong ating squeegee tool. We just have to make sure na maaalis natin lahat ng mga remaining bubbles dito sa ating tempered glass. And after that, we just completely installed another new tempered glass from Whisken. So it's so easy. Napakabilis lang i-install. If you're interested, nandiyan lang yung link sa baba. Dito sa yellow basket down below. Please like and share if you found this helpful and follow for more.